Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about cooking ingredients. So just keep on watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Episode 9, Cooking Ingredients. Ginger, garlic, sengpan, onion, tang, salt, yam, ground pepper or whole pepper, hojo, rice wine, biju, soy sauce, tao yu, white sugar, pet theng, brown sugar, o theng, cooking oil, ji jia yu, sesame oil, mua yu, white vinegar, pet to, black vinegar, o to. Our message for the day is Matthew 19:26. With God, all things are possible. This is all for today. Thanks for watching and bye!